Good evening, everybody. Mr. M here, Peace Double Arrow. I just got two questions I would like to answer that somebody asked me. Okay, so I thought I'll just make a video on this and just answer the questions. The first question was, I was asked, does this arrows repaint? Okay, and the answer to that question is yes. The big arrow does repaint, but the little arrow does not repaint. So this one repaints and the other one does not repaint. Okay, reason being is the big arrow, like I've indicated in my earlier videos, is it's an indicator. Okay, there's a potential turn in the market. Okay, bullish or bearish. Okay, all right, in this instance is bearish. Okay, so what happened is the minute this arrow forms, okay, like I said, this one does not repaint, little one doesn't repaint, but the top one does repaint. All right, so the minute this one forms, the small one, it locks the big arrow. Okay, it definitely locks the big arrow. Then you're safe to take your trade. Okay, then you jump in your trade. So say for instance you got in here. Okay, um, like I said, the rules of the system is your stop loss goes a big above your big arrow. All right, so you're taking your trade there. That's a stop loss of 18 pips. Okay, and a drop of 58 pips. You're out there. So yes, it does repaint, but the little one does not repaint. So the little one locked the big arrow, so it's safe to get in that trade. Okay, so the second one was, can you use the system for scalping? Yes, you can. You can use it for scalping. As you can see, I'm on a 15-minute chart now. Okay, M15, EuroCAD, and as you can see, here's a signal, sell signal, buy signal, sell signal, buy signal. Okay, so basically these lines represent each day. All right, this is one trading day. There's 1 day, 2 day, 3 days, 4 days. Okay, so if you caught this trade here, okay, stop loss goes there. It's 18 pips for a gain of 58 pips. Okay, so you want to ride it up again, get in there, stop loss 14 pips, gain of 53 pips. And yes, lots of examples, guys, lots of examples, lots of examples. As you can see here, big arrow, little arrow, big arrow, little arrow, drop. Okay, as you can see there, I'm showing you guys, as you can see. Okay, and it works on any chart, guys. Let's take another chart. Let's go to let's go to the gold. Okay, 15-minute gold. Okay, as you can see, big arrow, little arrow, drop, big arrow, little arrow, rise. Same here. Lots of examples, guys. I mean, I didn't I didn't I'm just putting the charts on the I'm just putting the charts out there. It's not like I now first had to go see no, this chart is good, that chart is bad. No. Okay, as you can see there, there's confirmation, there's confirmation, there's confirmation, there's confirmation, confirmation, even on the gold. And like I always say, the minute the big arrow forms, little arrow form, the market's not coming back there. I mean, here's proof. Drop. It's not coming back. It's not coming back. Yeah, as you can see, it's not coming back until the big arrow forms. Alright, then you know, well, there's a trend reversal. Okay, let's look at another chart. Let's check just random chart. There. What is that? CAD JPY. Okay, CAD JPY. Same story. Okay, big arrow, little arrow, drop. Big arrow, little arrow, rise. Okay, as you can see, guys, it's random charts that I'm choosing here just to show you guys. Okay, Let's go to the 1 hour. Let's go to the 4 hour. Okay, as you can see. All right, there, bearish signal, bullish signal, bullish, bullish. Like I said, it's not coming back to the big arrow. Yeah, bearish, drop, bearish, drop, bullish, rise. Okay, very simple, guys. Very simple. Okay, very simple. All right. Once the market makers, guys, once they got what they wanted, they out of there. They're not coming back to this area again. Okay, they're not coming back to this area. Okay, they gone. They gone. Okay, so yeah. So to answer that question, yes, it does repaint, and that's the reason why. Like I said, the big arrow is a indication to say the market is dropping. Okay, that's basically indication. If you get the yellow arrow, that's a confirmation. You can safely take this trade, guys. You can safely get into the trade without a doubt. As you know, nothing in the market is 100% guarantees. Yes, you're gonna have losing trades. You're gonna have losing trades. There's none. There's not no such a thing as a 100% winning system. I can tell you that now. Okay. But what I can tell you, the beast double arrow have a 80% win rate. Okay, definitely. All right. Um, so yeah, and the other question was, how many pips can you make per day? Okay, guys, that's a question I can't answer. Okay, it's entirely up to you. You know your risk appetite. You know how many pips you want to make per day, how many pips you want to lose per day. So that's entirely up to you. All right. If you tell yourself, I want to make 10 pips a day, 15 pips a day, 5 pips a day, it's entirely up to you. When you make your target, you're out. You close your trade, you walk away. All right, come back tomorrow. Okay, but yeah. So the question of the pips per day, I don't know. I can't answer that question. Sorry, I can't answer that question. It's entirely up to the individual. Okay, how many pips he or she want to make? It's as simple as that. But what I can show you, if you look at this chart here, small demonstration. That's the potential, guys. That is the potential pips you can make per day. Okay, so you can decide. All right, if that is good enough for you. As is an example of 20 pips per day. Okay, that's 100 pips, 100 pips a week. Okay, and there's your monthly target. Okay, we don't have to be greedy. That's only one trade per day. Okay, so you can check the chart and see from there. That's just an example. Okay, what you can make. Okay, so guys, so that is it. All right, just wanted to show you guys, um, and answer that two questions. So yeah, if there's any other questions that you guys have, feel free to email me. Okay, contact me, leave a comment below. I'll make sure I'll reply to you guys' comments. And yeah, that's me for now, guys. So this is Mr. M, Beast Double Arrow, signing out. Ciao for now.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me.